The Milescraft dowel bucket comes with 206mm and 208mm dowels. Each of the dowels comes with chamfered ends to help it go into your pre-drilled hole, and also ribs or flutes which help the glue escape out of the joint. It's going to be a perfect companion with your Joint Pro, your Dowel Mate, or maybe one of the JessEm doweling jigs. In fact, any doweling jig on the market that's looking for 6mm or 8mm dowels, this is going to be a great companion. For all of our Milescraft products, check out our fully stocked warehouse in the UK through woodworkersworkshop.co.uk and look at us on our social media channels.